Hi everyone, here's a quick tip how to change the default way that you download a file where it's stored. So by default, it's when you go to your OneDrive or SharePoint and you choose a file, click on the three dots. If you click download, automatically we should see it here. And as you can see here, AAA XLSX has been downloaded. So let's see where it goes. It goes to the download folder. But what if you want to change it or change the default one? Or if you want each time that it will be something different that the user can choose. So there's a setting in the Chrome. Let's go to the three dots. Let's choose settings and we will go down to downloads. Here we have three possibilities. First, we can change the location. So instead of downloads, we can say it can be, for instance, desktop. So if we do this, we will see the next time that we download, it will be saved in the desktop. Let's change it back to downloads. And now what we can do is the second option is to ask where to save each file before downloading. So let's activate it and let's go back to our OneDrive. This time, if we download, we can also look for the download here. So we will have a pop-up that says, where do you want to store? The default is, by the way, the downloads. But you can choose, let's say, to save it, for instance, in C, or if you want, maybe in a file server, or anywhere you want. So maybe in pictures I want it to be. So if I click save, we see now it has been downloaded. And if I go to the pictures, I will see this file. So we have a possibility actually in the browser to set a default one. Besides download, we can also make it dynamic. And the third one is just to show the download when they're done. So this is the short tip. Hopefully you like it and see you in the next episode. Goodbye.